We know the suspect had 10 different interactions with law enforcement in Harford County alone. Now we're digging in to find out what, if any, communication the Department of Juvenile Services had with anyone before gunfire erupted. It's a worst-case scenario for parents anywhere.
I'm here to Joppatowne High School bells.
School bells replaced with gunfire ringing out following a bathroom fight, a 15-year-old dead. The suspect, 16 years old, with a history of run-ins with law enforcement. Monday on Fox 45 Morning News.
Thanks for having me on this morning.
Harford County Sheriff Jeff Gahler.
We had 10 interactions since 2022 where he was either the victim, the witness, or the suspect in an incident involving just the Harford County Sheriff's Office.
It's unclear what type of involvement the suspect had with police because juvenile privacy laws shield most information relating to the kid or their potential criminal records. The public will likely never know what that record entails. Sheriff Gahler says more information that could be shared would be helpful.
Criminals don't tend to stay within county lines, so who knows how many interactions this young individual had with the police.
Monday, we sent a few questions to the Department of Juvenile Services asking, does DJS have a record of the suspect? If so, does that record include a child in need of supervision or since petition, diversion program, supervision, or anything else? Did DJS notify the school system of criminal concerns? Does DJS notify any school system when a student has been involved in a violent crime? In a statement, DJS telling us, you know that we cannot discuss specific cases because of juvenile confidentiality laws. I followed up with DJS again asking about a policy to inform schools. We also sent questions to Harford County schools asking, was the school system aware of the previous interactions the suspect had with law enforcement? Was there any communication with DJS regarding the suspect's background or record? Harford County schools telling us any questions about the suspect's record should be directed to the sheriff's office or DJS. But it's clear that information, if known, won't be shared publicly. We do know decisions about charges or diversions are made at the intake process within DJS, but that process has faced criticisms in the past. And with juvenile justice laws changing November 1st after fierce debate in Annapolis earlier this year, state's attorneys' offices will be involved in those decisions sooner. Meantime, Sheriff Gahler says there should be more communication and coordination when young people do have interactions with law enforcement.
But maybe somebody could have, in the criminal justice system, interacted had they not been handcuffed and put this kid on a different path to where he's not now an accused murderer.
DJS tells me there are some offenses that a superintendent of a school system would be notified of if a student is involved with, but generally, DJS says confidentiality is key. Now, there also is an agreement and an understanding in place with school systems to help returning students as they make their way out of detention or perhaps DJS supervision. In the newsroom, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.